Hey everyone, welcome back to ITS Sync, where we break down the latest in tech every week. I'm Jordan, and today we're counting down the top 5 tech news stories of the week. We've got AI updates, gadget releases, and some wild tech surprises. Let's jump right in. Starting off at number 5, AI is making art smarter than ever. OpenAI released an update to their image generator that allows real-time style adjustments as the art forms. You can tweak colors, textures, even the mood of the image instantly. Artists are calling it a game changer, and social media is buzzing with AI-created masterpieces. Could this be the future of digital tech? Only time will tell. Coming in at number 4, the foldable phone wars are heating up. Samsung and Motorola both announced new models this week. Samsung's latest foldable is thinner, lighter, and has a screen that heals minor scratches. Motorola's new Razr boasts better battery life and a near bezel-less display. Foldable phones are officially stepping up their game. So who's getting one first? Drop your pick in the comments. At number 3, EV charging innovations are here. Tesla unveiled new ultra-fast charging stations that can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. They're planning a rollout across major US highways next year. This could make long road trips in EVs way more practical. And finally, solve one of the biggest complaints: long charging times. At number 2, VR is getting a major boost. Meta and Sony both announced new headsets with better graphics, lighter designs, and lower prices. Meta is launching a new fitness app for VR workouts, while Sony is focusing on immersive gaming experiences. VR is finally moving out of a niche gaming and into mainstream use, making it more fun and practical for everyone. Topping our list at number 1, robots are helping humans more than ever. Boston Dynamics unveils a new robot that assists on construction sites, lifting heavy materials, navigating rough terrain, and even collaborating with humans on complex tasks. It's a glimpse into the future where humans and robots work side by side safely and efficiently. That's it for this week's top tech news. Which story blew your mind the most? Please comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss ITS Sync updates. We'll see you again next week.